know how people tell you that it is difficult for you to get a job now in the UK with visa sponsorship? Yes, it's true, but I'm going to be telling you and showing you something that is going to place you in an advantageous position where you can get jobs with visa sponsorship, and it is guaranteed. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you and showing you a website that you are guaranteed to get jobs with sponsorship here in the UK. And guess what? You're not paying anybody any money for the certificate of sponsorship. It's going to be a step-by-step guide of how you can find these jobs with visa sponsorship here in the UK. So make sure you watch every bit till the end and don't skip it, okay? So let's step right into the video. Today's video is going to be a step-by-step guide of how you can go on this website to apply for jobs. It is on the UK government's website, so you know it is legit. You're not paying anybody any money. You are not going to do anything that will put yourself in a position that you will not be at an advantage. So ensure that you don't skip today's video. Watch everything till the end and come back and thank me later. Hi everyone, my name is Mercy, and on this channel I talk about migration tips, I talk about nursing abroad, I talk about lifestyle content, and I do vlogs. So we're going to be having a look together on my screen where I'm going to be showing you all you have to know regarding this website. So it is a guaranteed website. It is on the government.uk website. So what you have to do is go on Google and type gov.uk. Click on enter, and it will tell you welcome to the gov.uk website. So you click on that one, it takes you straight to the website where you have a lot of options. Everything you need to know about visas, work, everything is on there, but that's not what we're interested in today's video. So under this box where it tells you search, what you need to do is type find a job, and you click on search. The first option you get, you click on that one, and it tells you find a full or part-time jobs in England, Scotland and Wales. Use the find a job service to search and apply for jobs. Now it tells you this service has replaced so and so and so, and there is a different service to search for jobs in Northern Ireland. I do not want you to box yourself to a certain area. Spread. Go wild. I don't know, but do not just place all of your eggs in one basket. So if you want to apply for jobs in the UK, I personally would say England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, shoot your shot. Apply for jobs, all of those areas. So by the time you are done with this aspect, you can also go to the service that you can search for job in Northern Ireland. But let's go with this one, and then you click on the start now. No, I'm not okay with analytics, and it takes you to this page. Now on this page you can see that you have an advanced search here, which is not what we're doing yet. You can see this box where it tells you where you can give specific promptings for what it is that you are searching for. Okay, because we are looking for visa sponsorship jobs, we will click on visa and sponsorship, and where, for example, they've told you city, county or postcode. I do not want you to limit yourself, so I'm going to leave it blank, and what would then happen is I will click on search. When you do that, you can see that you have over 2,000 jobs with visa sponsorship here in the UK. Quite a number. The good thing about this website is it is broken down into different categories for you on the left hand side. So you can see in London you have over 500 jobs. In Northwest England you have over 300 jobs. East of England you have over 100 jobs. Different areas in East Midlands, Southwest England, all of that. You can also filter the job to when the jobs were posted on the website. So was it posted since yesterday, last 3 days, 14 days, 30 days. If you want to filter it based on the salary range, you can do that as well. If you want to filter it based on the category, say education and childcare jobs, healthcare and nursing, PR, advertising, marketing jobs, you have all of these options there for you to filter through. So if you are not a nurse, or you are not a doctor, or you are not into IT, but you want to filter to your specific discipline, you can have a look through these categories here on the left and go straight to what it is that you do. So these are options for you. So let's peruse through and see what are the available jobs. Because I mean, over 2,000 jobs. What are you waiting for? So you can see you have associate dentist with Visa sponsorship. This was posted 2nd of January. You have even vehicle mechanic with Visa sponsorship. I mean, I remember one time when somebody was asking me to do a video on mechanics and jobs that mechanics can get in the UK. This is the answer to your question. So this is where you can get a job as a mechanic to apply for jobs here in the UK. So if you're a mechanic and you're watching today's video, tell me thank you in the comment section, okay? So you have vehicle mechanic with Visa sponsorship. You have charity worker visa. I did a video on the charity worker visa. Every information you need to know about that, I'm going to link it in the comment section. So if you have not watched it yet, go and watch it. It is packed with enough information, everything you need to know about charity worker visas, the available, how you need to find people who are licensed to sponsor you on the charity worker visa. Everything is in that video, so ensure that you watch it. So like I said, I will leave it in the comment section, but you can see this option is here. This job as a charity worker visa is here with Visa sponsorship. If you are interested, do apply. So you have master technician, you have transmission line worker, power line technician, religious worker. I remember talking about the religious worker visa previously in one of my videos. If you have not watched it as well, I will link it for you. So do ensure that I have quite a number of videos on my page about how you can migrate job opportunities as well. And for those just coming across this video or just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Mercy. You are absolutely welcome. On this channel, I talk about migration, nursing because I'm a nurse. I do content on scholarships and study abroad. I do lifestyle content and I do vlogs. So if this is something that you are interested in, that tickles your fancy, please do subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell. And that's because when you do that, you will get notified when I put out new content. And I've noticed that quite a number of you who do watch my content are not subscribed on the channel yet. So please do subscribe and turn on your post notification bell, like the content and share it to friends and family members. By the way, do comment in the comment section and tell me where it is that you are watching today's video from. I'd love to know where you are watching from, and if you have any specific requests that you would like for me to respond to, please do leave it in the comment section. As you can see, there are quite a number of jobs that you can apply for here in the UK with Visa sponsorship. And in 2025, I have decided that my viewers would have to migrate. You would have to move. You would have to japa. So if you are interested in specific countries or specific locations, study route, work route, please do leave it in the comment section. I bring all of these opportunities your way because I want you to be aware of these opportunities. Is there anything that is stopping you or limiting you from pursuing this goal? Do let us know in the comment section. You never can tell. Your helper might just be in the comment section. So please do leave it in the comment section and let us know if you have anything that is causing any delays, barriers, hindrances. Do let us know. So you have all of these options for you to consider and apply for jobs. So I will come again with more opportunities for you to move abroad, not just to the UK, move abroad to different countries, different locations. And this is something that you want to be on the lookout for and you do not want to miss. So don't forget to turn on your post notification bell after you have subscribed. I'm looking forward to all of your responses in the comment section, so ensure that you keep them coming. If you have any questions, please do ask, and I'm very happy to answer all of your questions. Until the next time, keep on being amazing, and I will see you very soon. Have a good day. Bye.